I've been really loving this course. It's my favorite class out of all my 8 classes because I like the pace that we go at and the information we read. Like, we read court cases and historical like accounts of things, and I've never really got to do that in any other class, so I really find it interesting.
It's not like your average history class, so you won't be hearing things from just a one-sided perspective. You hear everything from every perspective, and it's not like it's biased in a sense. So you're not just hearing it from one person's point of view, but having all those perspectives and actually, joining them together as one really makes, really fits the bigger picture.
Definitely take this course if you have even the slightest bit of interest in African American culture, or if you don't have any interest in African American culture, or you're passionate about African American culture. This class is for everybody. Even if you're not of African American descent yourself, everybody can take something away from this class, and it's just the best way to open up your eyes to the world around you, because we can all learn from this class.
When I found out that there was an AP African American Studies course here, like, it was kind of like not a choice for me to take it. It was kind of like this was my way of saying thank you to all the people that came before me, all the people that suffered constantly trying to protest for, African Americans to be let in schools, for it to be like, just to learn about their people. So when they come so far to give us a gift like this, it's kind of a no-brainer for me to just say thank you by taking this course.
It's cool to have someone in history that looks like you, like just killing it, like doing, making strides, like legislatively, like socially, right? It's cool to like discuss like the cultural aspects too, like we talk about like the Black church and stuff, and that's not really something that you discuss like in academia, right? It's like our cultural experience is being validated as well.